Ayan guys, oh. Ito yun, lumabas na yung check engine nya. So detail analysis, ayos naman ang kuhaan, pressure. Ayan, oh. Station test tayo. Injector 1, select. Halos mamatay makina. Oh. Injector 2, select. Halos mamatay na yung makina. Oh. Injector 3, select. Halos mamatay na yung makina. Injector 4, select. Wala function. Injector 5, wala function. Injector 6, select. Wala din function. Wala to. Paano to guys? Common ang injector 6. Natin hari DTC. Common to ng injector 6, grounded to. Isa lang ang common ng 4, 5, 6. Grounded to pag mainit na. DC. Ayun. Ground short to, common to. Injector, solenoid valve, drive system, ground short, common to. Buo ito ba? Ang ground nito ang kuan. Isa-isahan mo daw kuya. Ano nakabunot ngayon?
Lahat.
Ito na yung kita sa 10C na tinroubleshoot natin. So far nahuli na natin sakit. Problema niya is after 30 minutes may isa tayong solenoid valve sa injector na nagso-short, kaya ayun. So ang common kasi nito is 1, 2, 3. Isa lang ang common, at saka 4, 5, 6 na injector, isa lang din ang common. So affected lahat yung tatlong injector kapag may isang nag short to body, na kukunan ng resistance sa body ng injector mismo. So yan, napalitan na natin. Yan, maayos ng tunog, maganda na andar, at pwede nang i-pack up at i-release. That's all folks. Okay na to. Thank you for watching.